Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be working on this website again, and I'm going to be telling you guys how to do a little bit of CSS to help your website pop more. And so first I'm going to go to the desktop, to the website folder. Just going to run this index.html file. You can see we had this kitten that we put on here the last video, as well as various ways you can modify text using just HTML tags. You can see we have here these sorts of things, and a link that will bring you to google.com. In order to use CSS, there are a few ways to do it, but the most basic way is I'm gonna put a BR tag here that just breaks up the line, so the next text will be on a new line, and then I'm just gonna say p style equals color blue. And now you can see that we've got hello, but it's blue. It's very important that you have quotation marks around your style, and it looks like, so you have an attribute, in this case color, and then you have a colon before you put the value in, and then you put a semicolon, and then you can do another argument like font size, and you can see it gives you information on what units we're going to use. I'm going to use px, which means pixels. I'm going to set it to 50 pixels, and I believe you don't need a semicolon at the end of the last line or the last argument, but I'm going to put it in anyway. It's just good practice. And now you can see that this is a little bit bigger. This is very useful, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. I'm going to put a link in the description with a bunch of stuff that you can use style for, probably. But if you don't want to put your style in the tag every time, say if you have like a bunch of these elements, you don't want to copy and paste this whole thing. Oops. Every time. I mean, you can do that, and it will work, but it takes longer, and it just takes up more space. And so another thing you can do is you can say class equals, and then you can put whatever you want in here. Say class equals blue, sure, and then somewhere else in the document you're gonna put script type equals text / CSS, and then in here we can do dot blue, and then we can put in the same arguments. And we can also put class equals blue here. So script is only going to work with JavaScript. You're going to want style if you're working with CSS. Oh, and now you can see these are blue again. And we can also set like things like the background color. Stuff like that. So now you can see that it's about as a few pixels away from the blocks that the text starts, which is defined here by the padding. And I've set the background color to black, so you can see there's this black box around everything. And there's a whole bunch more stuff you can do with this, but that's generally the basics. And that's really about it for this video. Next time I'll tell you how to make a navigation bar by using all the techniques I taught over the past 2 videos. So I hope to see you in that one. Goodbye.